Hello there, it's Carrie Rhodes here. Welcome back to the Trinity Stamps YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be making some adorable little tags that are inspired by an ornament I saw when out shopping. They are Snowman Snowglobe Shaker Tags using this Mini Snowglobe die set. You can see I've cut the largest base piece and I wanted to make a shaker window, so I thought I was going to use this die piece that comes with it where you create the snow globe scene, but it made too thin of a frame and I wasn't thinking I'd be able to replicate that enough times to make it thick enough to be a shaker. So I pulled out my mini coffee cup die set and I wanted to use these sets anyway. So when I saw the circle in this set, the largest circle, I thought that would work really well to create an opening for a shaker tag. So I die cut one of those solid snow globe pieces to create a window, and then the little bit smaller shaker or snow globe piece, I die cut that from window sheet and glued it to the back of the snow globe that has the window. Then I'm taking the Trinity Stamps foam strips. Now these are very thin and perfect for small shaped shakers like this right here. I can't use fat thick wide foam tape here, but these work great, and when you remove the backing off of them, they bend around a circle so easily. I'm using some coarse glitter. This is glass glitter for the inside. I want it to look like snow, and then I'm going to use the sugar bowl glitter that's a little bit finer glass glitter. I'm going to mix the two together inside of the snow globe. It looks so much like sugary snow. I love it. Then I can back that with the second snow globe piece. I needed a little bit more foam tape there at the bottom, forgot to put that in at the beginning, and now it is a super cute little shaker. Next, I need a base for my snow globe, so I'm going to use this wood grain paper that's in gray because that is really nice and subtle for what I'm creating here. I didn't want something to be a dark color that took away from the rest of the scene. So now I have my seasonal mini coffee cup die set, and I'm going to create a snowman face. I'm using the Trinity Stamps glossy black cardstock to die cut the face piece. Now I had a scrap of the cardstock. I also had a scrap of my rip and stick sheet paper. So I backed the black glossy with this adhesive paper. Then when I die cut out the little face pieces, now they are stickers. So I can easily add them to the snow globe using my pickup tool, and it made it really easy. And plus I didn't have like all that glue squishing out when I was trying to adhere down tiny little things. So it works fabulously. And if you don't press down on it right away, you can scoot it like you see me doing here for a little bit of time. All right, next is the carrot nose. There's actually two different carrots. One has the detail cut into it and the other one is solid. They might be meant to be layered. And then I took some glittered fun foam to die cut out the scarf, and look how perfectly this scarf fits around the snow globe. It's awesome. I also did the hat band, and for the hat I also used the glossy black cardstock, but not the one backed with the rip and stick sheet because only part of this is getting glued down to my snow globe. Then I'm going to take some red and white twine, and I'm having trouble threading it through there. So I'm going to use these threaders. They're really super thin. A fellow stamper turned me onto these, and you just insert the end through where you want the string to go, put the string through the flosser, and then pull it through. It works so good. All right, then I'm going to add some clay bits to the hat that are holly and berries. Very cute, like that little extra something that the snow globe really needed. Now these are pretty easy to make, and the tiny shaker makes me so happy. Look how cute that is. I cannot wait to stick these on gifts. I have one for each of my kiddos, and so they'll each get one because I'm going to make another one of these. All right, I am going to stamp Merry Christmas on the back, and I brought out my Simply Sentimental Merry and Christmas, and you should know that both of these sets have these tiny words that say Merry Christmas. So either one of those sets you can stamp what I'm stamping here, but the Merry in the Christmas set is capitalized where this one is not. The Merry from the Merry. Yeah, in this little typewriter font. Okay, next I am creating a second snow globe where the snowman is going to wear like a winter cap, a little like you know, knit cap. So I die cut half of a circle from my red glittered fun foam, and then I took the scarf, die cut it from green glitter fun foam, and then cut off the end of the scarf that hangs down, that part that hangs down, and then I'm going to trim this so it is the same length or just a hair longer than my little cap there. And then that is going to be the start of my stocking cap. But I had to run to the store before I could finish this hat, so you'll see why. Next, I added his face just the same way I did with the first one, and I wanted to show you that you can trim off the end of the carrot if you want a little bit of a smaller nose, which I decided to try out on this particular snowman. I think it is a really fun way to give him a little bit different look than the other one. All right, so next we're going to glue that hat down onto the snow globe. I did end up coming back and peeling that off and cutting just a little bit of that red hat so it was a little bit less than half of a circle, and that made the hat not so tall, and I liked that better. I added a snowflake to this snowman's hat and then tied on my string, and when I did that I forgot to like give this a little bit extra time to dry because it is fun foam, and so I had to scoot everything around a little bit. So this is what I went to the store for, to the craft store. I wanted an actual pom-pom on this hat. I had to have it. Like, once you think of something, you have to do it, right? So yeah, I went out, got some pom-poms to finish this off. I think it is so cute. I really love these. This die set is already designed to be a tag. So just finding new ways to use this, I think, is so much fun. I love them as shakers, and I absolutely love them with the snowman faces right on them. Isn't it so fun? And they're pretty easy to make. Like, you could even make these with some kids if they were into doing paper crafts. I think that would be really fun. But I really can't wait to add these to my kids' presents under the tree. I know that our tags that I make often get saved, so we'll be using these for a few years to come. I thank you so much for stopping by the Trinity Stamps YouTube channel. You can find us on Facebook and Instagram too, where we share all of our creations, so you can keep up with our designers and what is new at Trinity Stamps. So we'll see you all again very soon. Happy stamping! Bye!